Hey there, crypto enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into a hot topic that's on every investor's mind: Bitcoin or altcoins. Which is the better investment? Let's break it down. First up, Bitcoin, the granddaddy of all cryptocurrencies. It's the most well-known and widely accepted digital currency. With a market cap that dwarfs all other cryptos, Bitcoin is often seen as the digital gold. It's a store of value and a hedge against inflation, but its growth can be slow and steady. Now let's talk altcoins. Altcoins are any cryptocurrency that isn't Bitcoin. Think Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and thousands more. These coins often have unique features and use cases that set them apart. For example, Ethereum is the backbone of decentralized applications and smart contracts. Altcoins can offer explosive growth, but they also come with higher risk. They're more volatile and can be more susceptible to market swings. So, how should you approach your crypto investments? Diversification is key. Just like in traditional investing, spreading your investments across multiple assets can reduce risk. By holding both Bitcoin and a selection of promising altcoins, you can balance potential high returns with the stability of Bitcoin. Consider allocating a larger portion of your portfolio to Bitcoin. It's the most stable and recognized, and it can act as a solid foundation. Then, dedicate a smaller percentage to altcoins that you've researched thoroughly. Look for coins with strong technology, active development teams, and real-world use cases. Remember, the crypto market is still young and highly speculative. Only invest what you can afford to lose and stay informed. Follow the news, join crypto communities, and keep learning. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. In summary, both Bitcoin and altcoins have their place in a well-rounded crypto portfolio. Bitcoin offers stability and long-term growth, while altcoins can provide higher returns with higher risk. Diversifying your investments can help you navigate the ups and downs of the crypto market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto insights. What's your take on Bitcoin versus altcoins? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, keep investing wisely.